Welcome to Mindtales Studio. In this story, we will see how appreciating little things can make our life happy. In a quiet care home in the heart of a bustling city lived Mr. Iyer, 83 years old, mostly deaf, and full of stories. He had once been a teacher, a husband, a storyteller. Life had taken much from him, but never his gratitude. Then came Rhea, a university student doing a project. She thought she'd chosen the quietest elder to make things easy. They spent hours in near silence. She read. He listened or didn't. The connection seemed shallow at first. But then Rhea noticed something curious. Every time tea was served, Mr. Iyer tapped his spoon. Just once. Clink. "Why do you do that with your spoon?" she asked, curious. Mr. Iyer wrote back, "It reminds me to be grateful. Grateful I can lift the spoon. Grateful the tea is warm. Grateful for fingers." The next day, she brought a cookie. He smiled, tapped his spoon once more. Clink. "Thank you." Their friendship blossomed not through words, but through presence. Each moment became a memory. He shared stories of his life, his daughter's first steps, mango ice cream, his wife's laughter during storms. Rhea started seeing her world differently. The smell of fresh bread, laughter, morning sunlight, little miracles. She started writing them down, every small joy she had once rushed past. Gratitude became a habit. Her friends mocked her at first, until they wanted to try it too. Gratitude was quietly contagious. Rhea brought her class to the home. They celebrated life music, laughter, shared stories. Mr. Iyer's eyes glowed. That evening, he tapped his spoon one final time. Clink. A quiet thank you to the world. Mr. Iyer passed away that winter peacefully, silently, his spoon by his side. At his memorial, Rhea stood up and spoke. "He taught me to slow down and really see life." She lifted the spoon and tapped the rim. Clink. The sound of memory, of presence, of gratitude. In a world full of noise, sometimes all it takes is the sound of one spoon to bring us back to the little things. Please like, share, and subscribe for more video updates.